diving deeper into a pose that collects all the vibes of feeling steady, strong, and expansive. Grab your mat, take a deep breath in, and a long breath out. Let's begin. We'll begin today towards the top edge of our mat, feet about hip distance apart. Begin to look down towards your feet. Maybe you flex them, maybe you crunch them. And bring your gaze and your chest tall, and we'll step the left foot back. Getting into warrior one. So the right toes are facing forward. The right knee is stacked on top of the right ankle. And then the back foot is turned at about a 45-degree angle. Sounds kind of funky, but here's the best way to know. Since the left foot is back, we're going to focus on the top left corner as far as foot placement. So we're trying to shine our back left toes up towards the top left corner of the mat. Coming into the hips, we're trying to square them off here. So there's a gentle bend in this front knee. We're gently trying to pull the left hip flexor forward and gently trying to pull the right glute back. Hands go down and come all the way up. Squeeze your navel to spine for stability here. We call that Uddiyana Bandha, navel to spine connection. The navel draws in and up to help keep you balanced here. Arms are high, palms are shining towards each other. You can bring them together if that's comfortable. Otherwise, we're going to hold that big beach ball up and overhead. Roll your shoulders back and down, although the arms are high. And then the gaze becomes neutral. Looking out towards the space in front. Remember to pull your tailbone down here and keep that navel engaged. Take a deep breath in through your nose as you lift even taller here. And exhale, root down even more through your legs. Energetically, the lower half of our body is really grounding down into the earth, and then the top half of our body is really reaching for the stars. Inhale, really, really reach. Exhale, palms kiss, and then gently slide them down. Hands at heart center. Elbows are wide. Gently press the palms together. Inhale deep. Exhale, root down. Roll the shoulders back and away from your ears. That is warrior one. Virabhadrasana I. Thank you so much for tuning into this dive deeper video of warrior one, or Virabhadrasana I. We're going to jump into Virabhadrasana II and then the differences between the two of those in the next video. So stay tuned. Leave a comment down below to let me know exactly what you thought about warrior one. Have you been doing warrior one correctly or maybe not so correctly? Let me know if you need any modifications, and I will see you in the next video.